Joshua Adams, 14-1-101-3.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
For the record, Lydia Koroma with the Public Defender's Office.
Nice to meet you, Ms. Koroma. Mr. Ritchie, you have some probable cause to read today, do you?
I do. 121-2014 at approximately 18:13 hours, the Whatcom County Sheriff's Office responded to 69 Lake Louise Drive, Bellingham, Washington for a suspicious death. The Whatcom County Sheriff's Office arrived on scene and found Steven Siebert on the floor of the kitchen in the 3-story residence at this address. Steve was deceased and had 2 gunshot wounds on his left shoulder. Timothy Siebert was the reporting party of the suspicious death and was contacted when deputies arrived on scene. Timothy indicated that he arrived home from work around 18:10 hours and discovered his dad, Steve, deceased. Timothy reported that a Subaru belonging to the family was missing from the driveway, along with a 20-gauge shotgun from the upstairs loft. Timothy also reported that his dog was missing from the residence, and he could not account for the whereabouts of his brother, Joshua Adams. The area was searched, and Joshua was not located. Joshua's residence at 35 Marigold Drive was also searched, and Joshua was not located. Per Timothy, Joshua suffered from some mental illness and had a pending DUI in Skagit County. Timothy also reported that Joshua was an angry person who did not get along with the family members. The Subaru missing from the driveway was a red 2003 Subaru Legacy with a Washington license plate. At approximately 22:31 hours, Whatcom dispatch advised that a witness observed a red Subaru at the Shell gas station off of Highway 20 near the LaConner exit. A male and a dog were seen getting out of the Subaru and walking toward a dark-colored Ford F-150 parked at the gas pumps. The male and the dog got into the dark-colored F-150 Ford and drove off. The red Subaru at the Shell station matched the description of the missing vehicle from 69 Lake Louise Drive. The Washington license plate to the dark-colored Ford 150 was found. The Ford 150 was stolen from the gas pumps at the Shell gas station by the male who exited the Subaru and taken from the Siebert residence. A watch for it was broadcast to other law enforcement agencies. At approximately 23:10 hours, Whatcom dispatch advised that Island County Sheriff's Office was following the stolen F-150. At about 23:14 hours, the Ford F-150 pulled to the side of the road, but then drove off again. Whatcom dispatch advised that Island County Sheriff's Office was in pursuit of the stolen F-150. At approximately 23:26 hours, Whatcom dispatch advised that the pursuit was ended and Island County Sheriff's Office had one in custody. The male subject in custody was identified as Joshua Adams. Joshua Adams was read his constitutional rights per Miranda and stated he understood his rights. During an interview with Whatcom County detectives, Joshua Adams confessed to shooting his dad, Steve Siebert. Joshua stated to detectives that he shot his dad with a shotgun and that his dad's last words were, "This is not fair." Joshua told detectives that he ran up to his dad after shooting him and said, "I'm sorry." Joshua also told detectives that he left the residence to enjoy some freedom and that detectives did not have to treat him nice because, in Joshua's words, quote, "I am a criminal and I just killed my dad," period, unquote. These acts go to Whatcom County.
Thank you. Any comment on probable cause?
No comment, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Adams, I have here your acknowledgement of rights. The charge being brought against you is the charge of murder in the 2nd degree while armed with a firearm. That's a Class A felony, and it carries a maximum penalty of 20 years to life in prison and a $50,000 fine. And as I mentioned before, when I was talking to everyone here, this form goes on to talk about the rights that everyone has, including the right to remain silent, the right to be represented by an attorney. So my question to you is, did you read and did you understand this information before you signed the paper?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.